So I just came back home. I had to leave my house to run down the shop to get something. But when I was driving back, I realized I got a package that I did not pull for a while. So we're gonna open this package together. I can't believe like I forgot it. So we're gonna open this together, okay? I'm so excited. So I bought 3 stuff. I think, yeah, so it's a sneaker. Let me just turn on the camera, hold on. All right, so the first item that I got was this Anne Klein bag. Like, it was literally for less than $30 and I needed a black bag. So I was like, yeah, add to cart. But it looks way bigger than I expected. So I wanted a shoulder black bag. So it comes with both straps. You can wear it crossbody or just with the shoulder. But I thought, listen, if I show y'all the picture, I'll add the link down below if it's still available. I got them from Nordstrom site. So yeah, it is way bigger than I expected though. It looked smaller on the picture. I honestly thought it was smaller, but it's very nice. The material is good. I'm not sure what these are for. Oh, I guess you can drag it tighter, but it's good. You can wear it crossbody like I said, or short. So let's see how it looks, because this is how I plan to wear it. Yeah, it's cute. But honestly, I thought it would have been smaller than this because I really wanted like a small bag. And I think I do have another Anne Klein bag in my cart as well, but it's cute, right? It's very nice. We got some Calvin sneakers because I need another sneakers. Not really, but yeah, it was very affordable. I can't remember the price, but I'll put it up. Ooh, and I think it's the color that I like. I think this was that kind of like a gray type of color. So cute, right? I normally wear like 8, sometimes 8.5, so I always buy 8.5 in sneakers. But I like it, it's cute. It's very nice. So cute. The colors, the color too, I should say, not colors, it's nice, it's great, it's giving a vibe. I can't wait to try it. So the last Calvin slippers that I bought was 8.5, but it fits so exact. I think the sizes are smaller on that side with the Calvin brand. But hopefully I bought 8.5 in this, so hopefully it fits properly, because if this fits smaller than usual, then this shit is gonna squeeze. And you know, when it comes down to Jamaican returns, like, we don't do returns because it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. And then the last item, we got some Stephen. We got some Sir Stephen here. The dupes, Sir Dupes. Oh. So we got the Hermes dupes here. These were for how many? I'm not sure, but I don't remember the price, but yeah. But I got it in white. They do have other colors. I should have gotten more. Got the black one, and the brown. But I wanted to just try this first. The last time I bought Stephen on Nordstrom, it fits perfect. But yeah, we're gonna test these out and hopefully it fit nice. So it's cute. You know, Stephen, the quality is good and affordable. And this is also an 8.5, which it normally fits well. So yeah, those are the 3 items that I got in my box. I think I need to try it on. I need to try it on this. If it's okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, if it's good. By the way, y'all, I don't do a pedicure, so okay. All right, so that fits well, so it's good. So later I'm gonna try on the sneakers. I'm actually starving right now, so we need to like put up some, like cook something right now, and then yeah, chill for the rest of the night. I am tired. I'm gonna keep them in the box for now because in that small closet, y'all, there is no space. The space is so limited in there. So it's best I keep them in the box and I can stack them up, which is like way easier. But yeah, that's all for today, folks, with the haul. So I know in my last vlog, I, told you guys like, okay, it's time to change my hairstyle or do a hairstyle. My hair needs to be did. So I think I did tell you guys about the hair and all of that. So this is the hair. Not sure if I had shown you guys in the last vlog, but this is it. And I bought 2 packs because I will be extending the hair. This is what, 16 inches. So normally I use 1 pack as usual, but right now, yeah, I think I want long hair. So it is the Expression Springy Afro Twist in the 16 inches, and this is TB30. This is the only color here that they actually had. I wanted burgundy, but they ain't got that. So this is the color I'll be working with. And I think almost a year ago, I did do this same hairstyle, and I think I mentioned also in my last vlog, like that video had a lot of views. So a lot of people gravitated to that video and liked it because it was just so simple and all of that. So I'm thinking to do like a new video of it, like an updated video. And basically it actually will be different because this time I'll be attaching 2 hairs together to make it longer. And then the previous video, the first video, I used only 1 pack. So this one I may use 2 pack or almost 2 pack. So yeah, we're gonna jump into it to show you guys. And let me tell you, disclaimer, y'all, I'm not one of those persons that part their hair straight and everything has to be neat and proper. Like, listen, I don't do that. I will part my hair as best as I can, and that's just how we're gonna do it. The whole parting neat and all of that, bro. I'm not a hairdresser, okay? So I do my hair, or I do it, and that's that. So I just wanted to put that out there just in case somebody, you know how the internet can be. You know how the internet can be. So I should have, I'm going to start the back of my hair first. And then probably I'll show you guys when I reach at the top, like a little small tutorial of how I'm gonna, extend the hair basically. So let's get into it. I did, what's it called? I did oil my hair and stuff. So I oil my hair with this, the castor oil. So yeah, because my hair was extremely dry, and right now my hair is so coarse in the scalp. Like, it's because the relaxed hair is, I think it's probably due to relax in the next 2 weeks, but that's not gonna happen. Yeah, I tend not to like relax my hair very often and all of that stuff. But anyways, if y'all see me bending down, it's because all my stuff is right here on a small little, a low table that I have here. So yeah, let's get into this video.
Yeah, yeah. believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can coast. Let's coast, let's coast. Don't get in a hurry. Oh, no, that's too slow. Hey, go ahead and put that thing in overdrive. I want you to rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. Work it in the middle. Work it, baby, work it, baby.
So y'all, I just finished one pack of hair, right? And tell me why I bought two different colors of hair. I bought two packs. This one that I have in my hair currently is a 30 and I bought a 27. Tell me why I buy two color hair. And I didn't realize until the one pack of hair finished on my head. This is so funny. And I was the one that walked in the store, look at it. I did look at it. And then bring it to the cashier to cash it out. So it's not like I can blame anybody like it was an over-the-counter thing. I physically went in the store myself and I'm still puzzled. This is so funny. So what I had to do was I'm gonna take out like some of the ends that I had added, the added ends, and then kind of mix the color. This is funny as hell. And luckily I do have some old hair that I have. This one is what color? I think it's straight 30, the one that I have in, so I can mix and match. And this is a 27. Girl, you funny, you funny. Anyways, I'm almost at the end of my hair, thank the Lord. I can't believe this. How much I have 2 rows left. This is 2 rows, right? Yeah. So finally I'm done. There's this one I'm gonna have to redo. You see how it's taller than everybody else? Yeah, so I'm gonna fix that. So let's go ahead and try to finish mix match my hair because that's what we're working with today. Oh, I'm funny. Yeah.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice. I feel make you mine. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Take it, I love it every day. I'ma dance with you, my money, I gon' pay.
Alright guys, so the hair is done. I've already clipped up the ends so just a little bit everything be, you know, at least in one line or looked a little bit leveled. So I am getting dressed. I have one of my friend's birthday is coming up this Wednesday and another friend's birthday is on Thursday. Crazy, right? Yeah, you see these September people. By the way, it's September 1st. Happy new month, happy new beginnings. And yeah, the year is ending, so it's a hint to we need to finish up what we had geared towards completing for 2024. And of course, if that doesn't work out, in God's name and will, we have another year, which is to live. We're gonna live to see 2025. So time is running out, but if things are not accomplished for that year, it can definitely be pushed to another time or another year. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I'm actually looking down in the mirror to just ensure that everything is good, but the hair is all done. And yeah, I was saying that it's my friend's birthday, one on Wednesday, one on Thursday. Oops. So my friend that I'm meeting tonight, we're gonna head to Regency. She's already having dinner there already. I'm gonna meet her on Regency is Terra Nova Hotel Bar, if you guys don't know. And on Sundays they have Latin Sundays, and they also provide free classes as well between 7 to 8 p.m. or 6 to 7, one of them, I don't remember y'all, but either way I am late. It's moving towards 7:30, I told my friend I will meet her around 7, so your girl is 30 minutes late, and I am probably around 20 minutes or so, or 25 minutes or so from turnover. So yeah, so you know what that means. We're gonna reach there at 8. I'm gonna attempt to get there before 8 o'clock. So I'm just hurrying up. Just wearing gold as usual. I really need another bracelet. I saw a Coach bracelet that I wanted and the Tory Burch bracelet, but shit, the Tory Burch bracelet is a little bit expensive. Well, it's not that expensive. I just don't want to spend that money because the Coach one is cheaper on the side that I'm gonna get it on. So we're gonna go with the cheaper one at this time, okay? We're watching our money. I'm gonna show you guys the fit shortly. I wanted to wear sneakers, but I am going to wear sneakers because my toes, they're not looking too nice right now. So yeah, yo, this area is so huge. I'm just trying to hurry up, y'all, because we're running late. But do you guys like the hair though? How did it came out? I'm loving it. Let me see. Well, I probably need to cut some more, but I'll do that tomorrow. And some is I think these can cut off to here. Yeah, all right. Let's show you the full fit, and we're gonna head out and have a nice Sunday evening tonight. And yeah, by the way, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope y'all are well. Regular perfume, the one they get perfume, I have Miss Dior. I need to, oopsie. Yeah, I'm very extra when I'm putting on perfume. Alright, good to go. Alright babes, we are heading out. Alright guys, so we are heading out and this is the fit. We're just wearing this wrap skirt, this black off-shoulder top. Not sure if you guys can see that. Come up close up. Off-shoulder top. The new bag that we got in that haul. I think I showed you guys the Nordstrom haul already. So bag, and then also the new shoes. The shoes, yeah, I know it's don't match, but I want to wear my new shoes. I don't care. Yeah, you ever got something new, like you're really, as you got it, you just want to wear it? That's how I'm feeling. I could have changed my bag to the white to match, of course, but I don't know. I feel like I want to wear my black bag. I don't care. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Tell me how I feel like the fit. Anyways, we are heading out. I'll see you guys at Regency, and then after that we're gonna go to I Love Souls, of course. Anyways, let's go.
Let's go. What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, pool bomb, just say, yeah. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing, in the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. If you try not.
Right, so we are leaving right now. The vibe was pretty good. So if you guys want like Latin lesson or any salsa, you guys can definitely come. Get free lessons and just grab a drink and have fun. So it's time. We're gonna leave right now and we're heading to I Love Souls. It's 9:10. Hopefully I can get parking where I want to get parking. Let's see. Anyways, I'll see you guys at I Love Souls.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I